Hello everyone, here we are on the assignments screen in my BTEC, and this video is going to show you how to use the assignment brief builder to create a new assignment in my BTEC. You can access the assignment brief builder from here on the assignment screen, from the top level navigation, or from inside your course. Now if you access it from here or here, then you will have to choose your units from scratch, so you have to choose your subject, your qualification units from scratch. So it's much more efficient to be working inside a course, because then some of those choices are already made for you. So let's go into a course now. This is a BTEC First Award in Business course. Now in this course you can see we've got units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if you go to the assignments in this course, we can see create new and add existing. In the video which shows a tour of the main screens of my BTEC, we covered the add existing, and now we're going to cover building a new assignment. So click create new and we'll be taken into the assignment brief builder. And here we are, you can see there's 4 steps. In this screen we can add a video. My name's Ben Swift, so we'll call it Ben's Demo. And the facing title is and here we can see we're selecting the courses in our centre, and the course is called Delete Me Onboarding. So if we click Add Units, the list we'll get is just those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units in business which we previously saw. So again, if you're creating an assignment from scratch, you'll be selecting from all units and in all subjects and all qualifications, which is easy to do, but the best thing is to work from inside a course. Now if you want to do an integrated assignment brief which covers learning aims from 2 different units, then you can do that. I think in this case we'll just do something for promoting a brand and click next. So here we are in step 2. In this particular unit we've got 2 learning aims, A and B. Because this is the qualification it is, you can't select these assessment criteria individually for this assignment. My BTEC wants you to select an entire learning aim, because that's the correct assessment approach. In some other qualifications you would be able to select these assessment criteria individually where appropriate. As usual, the unit specification is available for you whenever you might need to refer to any other details of it. So in this case we'll select Learning Aim B and go on to the next stage. So this is the main screen. As is often the case in my BTEC, on the left of the screen is where you can take your actions, and on the right is guidance. Because this guidance is right here just when you need it, it reduces the need to go to the website or go to your cupboards and find the BTEC assessment guidance or quality assurance manuals. There's just the relevant piece of guidance here just when you need it. As usual with text editors, you can bullet point, insert images, however you want to do it. So all the way through again I've got relevant guidance here next to the screen that I'm using. Now we added one learning aim to the assignment brief as a whole. This task may of course be for the entire learning aim, or it might be for a selection of the assessment criteria, like so. We can add attachments if we need to. We can add a second task. And add the remaining assessment criteria. In this case I think I've made a mistake. I think what I would prefer to do is delete the second task and present it to learners as one task. So I'll add all the assessment criteria for this learning aim to the task. And now moving on from screen 2, after I enter the sources of information, I can preview the assignment brief to see how it would appear to learners. You can see it's pretty much again indistinguishable from a neatly typed assignment brief you'd normally do, apart from this footer which explains where it was generated. The assessor name, start date and hand-in deadline are added in an automatic way using functionality inside your course in my BTEC, which is covered in another video. Here we are on the last step. This is just where we can confirm the details. There's just one task here, but sometimes there'll be two or more, as we saw. And at the bottom here I can send it to the assignment checking service, add it to an assessment plan, send it to the internal verifier, or finish. And if I try to send it to the internal verifier, of course it will realise that I've not added the dates and names yet, which the IV will need, and present to me this pop-up. Here the guidance is in this question mark, you access by hovering. So for example, planned resubmission date. It must be in 15 working days and within term time. So just the relevant piece of guidance you need is just presented to you at the time when you need it. And you can plan your dates and choose who's going to mark it and who's going to verify it. And of course, it won't let me IV myself. And that is how to create an assignment brief in my BTEC. And there we can see the assignment brief here inside the course. And if we click into the assignment brief, then we can see how the assignment brief is isn't just an assignment brief, but it also fuels the rest of the process. For example, internal verification. And the rest of the process is covered in another video. Thank you very much.